I just got my NAIJA wife visa. So it's ESEPAC, something like that, and I'm excited. So the reason why I'm making this video is because me starting this process, I did not see enough videos talked about this thing, like specifically talk about this thing and how I should go about it. I've seen like posts on Facebook about it, and people are saying they are paying like 800 naira, 800,000 naira, and I'm like, for Nigeria. Okay, not to laugh, but I I didn't want to pay all that. So I approached the process myself without anyone's help, because if you include agents and other people, that's how you will get scammed. Do it yourself. That's rule number one. Now, Nigeria has a website. If you're still in your country, let me start from there. When I was still in Uganda, because I'm a Ugandan, married to a Nigerian, I went to a Nigerian embassy in Uganda. If you're Ugandan, you can go to Kampala. It's in Nakasero. That upper part, you just tell about the guy. They'll take you there. Anyway, it's Building with Jessica. I did not introduce myself, and I hope I said hi. I'm not editing this video, so it's full of all crap. Just sit with me. You will get everything you need. I really promise you. So in Uganda, you will first go to the website before you go to the embassy. Go to the website, Nigerian Immigration Service, NIS, the official website, and click like you're applying for a visa. Then search for N1A visa, NAIJA wife visa. You're going to pay $52 on that website, and that is all. That is all you're going to pay. So you will print out the receipt and the application, and you get your passport, and then your husband's passport, your marriage certificate, your kids, maybe pictures and stuffs, and then utility bill from your husband, the application form from your husband, his ID. Yeah, you're going to get those documents, you photocopy them, and then you take to the embassy and then apply for the NAIJA wife visa. While there, after like a few days in Uganda, it was like after 2 days, they literally got, you don't pay again, you just pay on that website, and you don't need another cash going to the embassy. Just go and apply and take your documents, then they'll give you this visa. Okay, now this visa is going to allow you to travel to Nigeria. It's 3 months. It's the NAIJA wife visa. As you can see, N1 visa, spouse of Nigerian citizen. Okay, so this is what they are going to give you at the embassy. Then you will come to Nigeria. As you can see, this is the entry stamp. This was my exit stamp at Entebbe. So you come to Nigeria, but as I told you, this is going to last for 3 months. So before the 3 months ends, you have to go and follow up your SEPAC, your NAIJA wife thing, like resident permit. So you have to go and follow it up. Now, sadly enough, it's not processed in Lagos. Those guys are going to lie you that it is processed in Lagos. No, it's only processed on the headquarters of Nigerian Immigration Service, which is in Abuja. So you have to get to Abuja by all means. That is the second step. Now that is after like 2 months, because mine is supposed to expire like 19th, and now it is like 10th, 11th. It's when I'm doing mine, and I just got it the same day. So don't wait for the expiry because my expiry is almost, so that's why. Now you come to the headquarters, and then remember, before you come to the to the headquarters, go on the website of NIS again, NIS, Nigerian Immigration Service. Go there and apply for ISEPAC. There will be an option of N1A. Still go to it, click on apply. You can sign up with your email, and then what you're going to do is they're going to ask you for some documents, okay, on that website. They're going to ask for the application letter. They're going to ask for consent letter. Those are things provided by your husband. They're going to ask for utility bills. They're going to ask for your passport. They're going to ask you for the stamp, these entry stamps. You're just going to snap and photocopy everything so that you have everything as your PDF. They're going to ask you for this visa page on that website. So you just snap and do a PDF and then upload on that website. They are going to also ask you for your husband's local government thing. Yeah. And then you upload those documents on that where you're applying for ISEPAC. All right. When you apply, you're going to get a notification in your email. Remember, you signed up with your email, so you're going to get a notification with your email. Then if all your documents were in order, they are going to bring to you a booking link where you click and book the day you want to go for the biometrics and the interview and everything. On that website, when you're applying, you don't pay. You don't pay, you just apply and fill in the documents they're asking you for, and then you will book your appointment day. On your appointment day, you have to come to Abuja, because before I went to Lagos, okay, on the contemporary whatever Lagos. When I reached there, the first guy simply told me, biometrics 600. My husband was like, it shows it's free on the website. Why are you asking us for 600? He said, well, it was 800 before, but now we want 600. We could, after that man who does the biometrics, then we went to some other office in Lagos still, the same area, but you know, the biometrics guys in Lagos, they are like on the down floor. Then there is the upper floor where there is some other offices. So we went to some guy up there, and then he explained to us that they don't do NAIJA visa in Lagos. That authority was taken from them. So that's when we got our documents and then applied online and booked an appointment here in Lagos. It has to be Monday to Friday. So you book any day you want. It can be after 2 weeks. It can be, as long as it's in your visa, you know, before your visa expires. So you book that day. And then when that day reaches, you come to the headquarters here, Airport Road, Abuja, on the headquarters. So when you come, you're going to bring the documents you get from your embassy. At the embassy, they're going to give you like a parcel full of documents. You're going to come with it, and then you're going to also print out the documents you filled in online. You're going to print them out and also come with them and bring your passport with you. So when you reach at the embassy, at the immigration headquarters, you're going to go to the ISEPAC part. There is a place for biometrics, that glass thing. I heard it, how they call it. It was like a glass room, something. No, just go to the ISEPAC part. When you reach there, you go to the reception, you give them the documents, you will sit a little bit, and then they'll call you. Well, they asked us for 5K. They asked us for 5K for administration, which is totally okay. Like 5K is fair now, it's fair. So we went there, and then they took our biometric. That biometrics part, only 5K is what we paid. And I know it was It was like lunch. But it's what we paid. Remember, from the 800 they said in Lagos to 5K here at the headquarters. So after they took biometrics and processed our documents, then we went to another office, the head office, where there is the head of NIS, where she sits, and that was for processing and stamping. And she put this stamp. This is her signature and the stamp. So that was the process. I took my passport with me. I came out with it. I came out with it. So everything was done immediately. The only thing I see on this is, okay, you may get a little, someone may ask you for money for that quick. If you want it like quickly, you may get, someone may ask you for some money. I paid 40K for that quickly processing, so that I go with this, because I didn't have another day in Abuja. I was literally in and out of Abuja. So that quick processing, I had to involve someone to do it immediately. So the whole total yesterday was 45K. But that is a win compared to 800K. Please tell me it's a win. It's a win, guys. It's a win. The only downside is this is 1 year. I think they are trying to test our marriage or something. Then after 1 year, they said they are going to add like 3 years or 4 years or anything. So yeah, but also it will be free. And already they have my biometrics, so I can just send my passport, I think, with the right connections, right? So yeah, that is how I got it, as easy as that. It is simple. Don't get scammed by anyone. Don't ask anyone's help. Do it yourself. See, in Lagos, what I learned, number one, is you will get people to do it for you. You will get them, but at a cost. But do it yourself. Do research and do it yourself, and it will be easy and cheaper. Seriously, you may get to pay that money. There is always that money. You may get to pay it, but it won't be as much as someone who is coming you like a foreigner. You know, when they see like a foreigner, they know you don't know. You don't know. Even if it's me, I'll do it to you. Because you don't know. Because you don't know. So they can easily take advantage of you, especially if you're white and stuff. They will take advantage of you. So do it yourself. Do it yourself, and you won't pay. NAIJA wives, you will not pay. There is no payment. It is clear on the website. There is no payment for that thing. So yeah, that is how we got our passport stamp. And that is the back. Well, the original one is coming in the email, so this is just a temporary card, as you can see. As you can see, receipt and temporary card. Okay, so yeah, that is it for the video. I hope it helped you guys. I hope I haven't missed anything. Yeah, any questions, write them in the comment section and I'll try to reply you, so that I help you guys out there. I know you are sisters like me who want help like this, so yeah, reach out to me in the comment section and we'll help each other. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next video.